Hey, this is Anthony. This is August 23rd, 2020. I'm out here. I just pulled the engine out of the 2003 Mustang. It came, or we purchased it knowing that it would need head gaskets, but it's going to need some other things. It's currently locked up, so we pulled the engine to see what's going on. We couldn't get it to unstick. The owner drove it till it got hot, and then he blew a head gasket. He dumped a bunch of water down inside of the cylinder and left it sit for about 7 months. When we purchased it from the bank, the engine was locked up. I thought we might be able to free it up, but that's not the case. So we're fixing to tear it down and carry it to the machine shop tomorrow. Have the heads block checked, everything conditioned for a reman or rebuild. So here's the car. 2003 Mustang GT 5-speed, bought originally. Second owner, doesn't have but 96,000 original miles on the car. Tan leather interior. It has every option available for that year, bar none. Here's the engine compartment. As you can see, that's where the old bullet used to be. You can see the drive shaft there. I have to take the drive shaft out. When I get ready to put the engine back in, I'll jack the back end of the car up, put it on jack stands, and get it high enough I can get the drive shaft out. Today's job is cleaning all of this up, making it all pretty again while the engine's out. New battery. There's the engine again. Like I said, it is locked up. I don't know if he got it hot enough to tear it up or ruin the block. Here is the problem that occurred. If you see right here, there is a freeze plug. Either he blew that freeze plug out during the heating process, or it looks like from the rust trail it was already leaking. The car sat for 6 years before he decided to drive it again. So there's a lot of maintenance that he should have done to the car. Change the oil, change rear end fluid, transmission fluid, checked all the hoses, dumped all the antifreeze out of it. I did put a new tank, sending unit, fuel filter in it because of that fact that there's so much gunk in the tank. So we're going to fix it up. I don't know if we're going to keep it yet or not. I did order a set of stage 2 comp cams for it. I have oversized injectors for it. Sorry for the noise from the lawnmower, but that's alright. I think y'all will understand. It's called life. So let me show you the inside of the car just a minute. As you can see, the inside of the car, seats are like brand new. Car has seat covers on it. It's got, like I said, CD changer. Bose, or actually Mach 1 in this particular Ford product. Bowler exhaust. Oversized throttle body. They come with every available option, performance-wise and option-wise for that year. So I'm going to get off here and I'm going to tear the pan off and see what's going on. And I'll get back with you as soon as I get the pan off. See you. Hey, this is Anthony. I'm back. As you can see, I got the pan off. If you can tell, if I get the light just right. Right down in there. Right there. You can see as you can see right there, the rust pitting inside that engine right there. So yeah, that's not good. Of course, they kind of already figured that. Here's the oil pan also. As you can tell, there's some water down in it. No shavings so far. So it's not looking good for the home team. I'm sure there's going to be some other problems down inside the engine, but we're just going to take a look and see. I'll sign you back in when I'm done. Thanks, bye.